Hello students. Today we will discuss computer network and we will discuss few more topics in computer network. Like what are Ethernet cable, what do you mean by coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and WiMAX. These all are media of communication. I have told you what are media of communication. I have told you what are in computer network. So computer network is the collection of computers to exchange information from one computer to another computer, and to exchange those information we require some media of communication. And what are those media of communication? Those are two types: guided and unguided. Guided means which occurs through some physical media. Example of guided communication will be Ethernet cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. What do you mean by Ethernet cable now? Ethernet cable is a data link technology used in local area network. I have told you what do you mean by local area network. A network which is confined to a local building or a area is called local area network, or a network which has a small geographical area. So we can use Ethernet cable where there are LAN is installed. An example of Ethernet cable will be Cat5 and Cat6. When anybody will discuss you about that he or she is going to install Cat5 or Cat6, then he or she is talking about Ethernet cable only. The range of Ethernet cable is 100 to 1000 Mbps. Mbps means megabits per second, means per seconds we can get the data of 100 to 1000 Mbps. We can connect keyboard, mouse, CPU, modem through Ethernet cable. So you can get the question that what are the things we can connect with the help of Ethernet cable. So with the help of Ethernet cable we can connect keyboard, mouse, CPU, modem. And I have also explained you what is modem. Modem is a combination of modulator and demodulator. The work of modulator is to convert analog signal to digital signal, and the work of demodulator is to convert digital signal into analog signal. We have two types of Ethernet cable: straight through and crossover. By mistakenly I have written coaxial here. Straight through and crossover. Straight through Ethernet cable. It is used to connect a computer to a hub, switch or router. What are these hub, switch or router? These are the media of communication only. These are the communication device used as a connector sometimes. There is a thin cable inside a main cover arranged similar order of color from left to right. Straight through cable mein there is a thin cable. The cable is thin, outer covering is covered, and there are some inside the interior of the cable are contains some more cables inside it. And straight through cable is used to connect a computer to a hub, switch or a router. Ethernet crossover cable. We have two types of Ethernet cable: straight through and crossover. The diagram of straight through and crossover will be: straight through will be straight. The diagram will be the cable which is connected straight, and crossover means which is connected cross like, means it is used to connect computing device without a switch, hub or a router. That is the difference between Ethernet crossover cable and Ethernet straight through cable. That in straight through cable we need to connect to the computing device with the switch, hub or router, whereas in Ethernet crossover cable there is no need to connect to a switch, hub or router. The connection is like first cable is connected with the third cable and second with the sixth cable. RJ45 connectors are used to connect these cables. So you can get the question that which kind of connector we are using to connect Ethernet crossover cable. So the answer will be RJ45. Now the other type of cable we will study is after Ethernet cable is coaxial cable. It acts as a efficient transmission media. It consists of a single line of conductor surrounded by an insulation layer and a conductive shield over it. It contains copper inside it. That's why it has so many outer layer. Such cables are used in cable operators in local area network. So you can get a more question that which in which type of networking we can use coaxial cable. So the answer will be local area network. Now unguided media. Unguided media means wireless connection. A wireless connection means Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, we all know. Bluetooth is a wireless network connectivity that enables to connect or transfer data between devices over short range. So there is a homework for you. The homework is what is the range of a Bluetooth device. Now Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is a network of wireless connection. It is established by radio frequency. So one thing I had not explained you that about radio waves, infrared and radio waves and infrared. So you can understand which kind of waves we are using in Wi-Fi. So answer will be radio waves. These connections are established in electronic gadgets including video games, consoles, home networks, PDAs. PDA is personal digital assistant. It is a device. To form a wireless network, we need a wireless adapter or a terminal device. So we used to think there is a misconception that we used to think that Wi-Fi is only needed to connect a wireless connection. But the thing is we need a adapter also. If we want to set a Wi-Fi, then we need a wireless adapter. If we want to Wi-Fi adapter, and if we want to set a infrared connection, then we need to set a infrared adapter. Infrared. Computer or other devices can transfer data or digital media to each other over short distance using infrared waves. Some infrared adapters are installed in some handheld personal devices or mobiles. So in infrared also we need some kind of adapters to be installed. Now I have already discussed many times that what are the types of network. Local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, campus area network and personal area network. Local area network is a network which is confined to a small geographical area. Metropolitan area network is a network which connects the computer in around a city. It is larger than WAN but larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. Wide area network is a network which connects entire world through a network. Campus area network is a network which is established around a campus. Personal area network which is established by an individual. For example, we are having a geo adapter. We are plugging the geo adapter and we are providing network connection to all the computers or laptops or PCs whatever we have inside our home. What are local area network? Is a network which has a small geographical area. Geographical area means which has a small area. Example, offices, department. Characteristics of LAN. In LAN, data communication takes place at a rate of 100 to 1000 Mbps. It is owned by individuals or organizations. There are no traffic for its uses. Means, for example, when we used to fill an application form which has a last date, then at a time what is the problem we can get, that there is a problem of server down. Why? Because every user are trying to opt for the same server. So in that case there is a traffic issue arises. So but in case of local area network there is no traffic for its uses. So that's it for today in these kind of in these kind of computer network devices. In the next videos I am going to discuss some more detail. Thank you very much. Please go through my channel.